Alright, so got the keys back to my girl's car, got the oil change done. I want to talk to you about Alfa Romeo. So let me switch this camera around real quick. So if you're a big Alfa fan, man, I seen that Alfa has 2 new models coming out. Shout out to Mopar Insider too for providing the article. He always got great news. They always got good stuff on there, keeping us updated with the most Mopar content. So appreciate them. But pretty much Alfa Romeo has 2 new models coming out, the GTA and the GTAm. From what I understand, the M stands for modified, and what the modified version has it has no back seats, it has a roll cage and stuff like that, and a harness for you. So I believe that's obviously going to be the more track model. But anyway, the GTA is going to have a full interior. That one's going to have back seats as well. A few new things updated with the car. I love the green. I'm gonna show you the green right now. That green for the Alfa is crazy. You had the option also to do like green stitching on the seats plus green seat belts, which I thought was pretty nice. I would definitely go with the green model if I could. Now, pricing has not been released for the US, but for other countries, the pricing was, I believe, $143K for the GTA model, and then GTAm was $155. Just to make sure, I'm going to post the part of the article with the pricing in right now. Oh, I'm sorry, $143 for the GTA model, $147,000 for the GTAm. Now, that's a lot of money, I think, but that car is going to be super limited, only 500 made. I don't know if it's going to be 500 total between GTA and GTAm, or 500 GTA models and 500 GTAm models. It would be good to get 500 and 500 with a total of 1,000 vehicles, or I don't know if they're just going to do a flat 500 models, meaning 250 GTA models and 250 GTAm models. But we'll find out. But again, that is going to be a solid car. I always thought the Giulia was going to be the Giulia was a really special car. I don't see much of them here, especially the Quadrifoglio model. I've seen one where I'm from, and it's a red one. I haven't seen no other color, like no white, no black, no blue. I've seen actually one Quadrifoglio model and one regular like TI Sport, and they both were the same color. They both were red. I have not seen that vehicle any other color, but I kind of like the Alfas. They kind of separate from any other car out here, man, and I feel like they're a big sleeper. So hopefully, there was a Supra. Wow, that was nice. That was my first Supra I just seen too. That was crazy. Man, I think those are nice looking cars too. I feel like they could have did a little better with the design, but anyway. So again, go on Mopar Insider's website, man. Check out that article that they wrote about the GTA and the GTAm model. Those are sick. They even got the configuration up on the website. They got the link on there too. I'll post the link in the description so you can go configure your own build. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be super hard to get this car, man. Again, 500 total. I don't know if it's 500 for each model or 250 each model. Who knows how many models the US is going to even get, but I guess we'll find out when a car actually get announced and released. Due to COVID, they did not say that anything was going to get pushed back. The regular release date was on schedule, so I honestly like that car. Though GTA, I wish you could get the GTAm right with the back seats, because the spoiler on that GTAm is crazy. It's like a 2-piece. There's a high wing and there's a trunk lid piece on the bottom of it as well. So I don't know, man. I don't know. It's gonna be hard to get that car regardless. And even if you do get a hold of it, the markup on it is probably gonna be ridiculous. At least 50K markup on it, at minimum, because there's only so many of them. But I remember, I don't know if you guys remember, but when the N-Ring came out, the N-Ring edition came out, those were going for crazy amount of money too, and they weren't selling that great. So there's a few N-Rings out that are super limited edition as well, and you could get one for a decent, you could snag one up for a decent price. because those didn't sell that great anyway either. So we'll see how the GTA and the GTAm model sells, which I think they will sell a lot better than the in-ring models, because the in-ring models were only, if what you don't know what that stands for, it's the Nürburgring model, and those were just, I believe, a paint color and a couple decals and emblems inside the vehicle and outside the vehicle. Other than that, it was the same car, same horsepower, no facelift, no new spoiler, no nothing. Everything stayed the same other than a color. So that's probably why that one didn't sell well. This GTA and GTAm model is a complete different setup, new spoiler. The front is the same, I believe, but it's a nice different set of wheels, new interior. Not a complete revamp, but it's a nice difference. You're for that amount of money, you're getting a lot more changes than just the Nürburgring model. Because it looks like there was a full Alcantara suede dash. You get the nice different stitch colored seats, the different color seat belts. Obviously, you're getting more power on this one. So, and obviously a bunch of more carbon fiber pieces to make the car lighter, as it is a track model car. I believe the rear of the car gets a nice little fender flare. Go ahead, check that out, man. Go in. I want to see a bunch of configurations. If y'all could drop a bunch of configurations down in for me, let me know what kind of color would y'all could do with the brakes, what type of interior would y'all do. Let me know. Just drop the photo down in the comments if y'all get a chance to do so. I'm gonna actually drop a photo of my configuration in the end of this video, just to let y'all know what I would do. Because I would 100% do that green, man. The green with the green seatbelts, green stitching. That's killer. I've never seen that kind of green, and that green just looks amazing with the curves and the body of that car. So, but don't forget, man, like the video, subscribe if you're not subscribed, and drop y'all configuration photos in the comments, man. I want to see what kind of configurations y'all come up with for this GTA and GTAm model. So, all right, y'all, that's it. That's all I got for y'all. I'm out. Peace. And also, last thing before I go, if you haven't checked out that special financing video on multiple different manufacturers that I got in the previous video, link up in the description below. Go check that out, because a lot of good info on what brands and the pricing and how much deferred payments and days that they doing right now. So, but that's it. I'm gonna let y'all go, man. Y'all have a great day, man. Stay safe. Make sure y'all wear your mask if y'all out and about. I'm doing it as well. I'm going right back to the crib. I just had to get an oil change for my shorty. Going right back to the house, man. So I'm staying as safe as possible. I got a young one I gotta keep safe, man. So make sure y'all wearing your masks out in public, y'all, and just try to stay home as much as possible. I'm out, man. Peace.